preliminary interview will have to pick an envelope in my hand containing the number for the question. Our candidates will defend their answers based on their personal experiences and struggles and personal outlook in life as a member of the LGBTQIA+ community. Let me remind again, Queens, this has no time limit. Let's start with our preliminary interview. Candidates, let's call in our candidate number 1. How are you, candidate number 1?
I'm good tonight, but a little nervous.
That's normal. Ano mga preparasyon ang ginawa ni candidate number 1 tonight?
Because this is my second time to join pageant in Mondragon. Just chill and relax, and it's a part of being sportsmanship na magkalo ay manalo. That's all tonight.
Wow, that's the spirit. A round of applause to our candidate number 1. All right, Marga, you can now pick an envelope and let us reveal what is the number in that envelope. And the number is number 1. Please, candidates, so that our audience can see the question. Candidate number 1, your question is, many in our community face homelessness and family rejection. As Queen of Imelda, what specific actionable steps would you take to address youth homelessness in the Rainbow community? I repeat, many in our community face homelessness and family rejection. As Queen of Imelda, what specific actionable steps would you take to address youth homelessness in the Rainbow community?
Good evening again, everyone. Thank you for that good question. But before I finish that question, I have a short story of my life to connect this question. Hindi po kami mayaman at hindi naman po kami masyadong mahirap. Kahit may kaya lang sa hanap buhay at pang-araw-araw na pagkain. When it's homeless, naka-experience din po ako as a youth bilang bata. Kasi dati, pinalaki ako ng magulang kong independent, which is ngayon nararanasan ko ang mga turo sa akin ng magulang ko, which is my ate, a teacher of Agro-Industrial High School, and also my parents, Lola and Atis. Tinuro sa akin kung paano maging independent para hindi ka awa-awa, hindi yung lumalapit kung saan-saan. But my advice to the youth of this Imelda, sana may matutunan kayo sa aking story na hindi ka lang dapat bata o isa kang youth, dapat may sarili kang diskarte. So my answer for this question is homelessness. Thank you for the SK or the public servant. This is my answer na nandahil sa inyo, kami ngayon ay nagkakaroon ng income. Also sa mga estudyante, singing contest, Miss Gay, one of the part na mga trabaho niyo or project na nagagawa niyo sa youth para hindi masyadong mahirapan ng mga estudyante bilang homeless o may nalalapitan kung may kailangan. That's all for night. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Yes, you may now take your seats and relax.